Hi, it's Mike, the motorcycle eyewear guy on eBay. Today we're talking about the cadmium yellow transition lens. Remember, with any transition lens, it's affected by UV light. So if you're buying it for a car, the UV rays are stopped by the windshield, they're not going to change. Also, if you have a helmet with a clear shield on it, once again, UV light is blocked by the shield, the lenses won't change. Let's go ahead and bring it on in. Let me show you the color of the cadmium yellow to start, and let's see how fast they change. The nice thing about yellow at night is it actually cuts more light from the headlights, or more glare, I should say, from the headlights coming towards you. The other nice thing about it is that it brings more ambient light into dark spaces. If you're driving down the road and let's say that's not well lit, it actually will bring more light into that area, eliminating shadows so you can actually read the road better. During the daytime, it's awesome. Actually, you get a nice dark lens and the direct sunlight. Let's say it becomes overcast. It actually will bring a little bit more of that yellow tone back into the lens. Yellow cuts blue rays of the sunlight, so it actually clarifies things. Let's say you ride down a little bit further and unfortunately it starts to rain. Well, in the rain, it will actually go completely yellow. Yellow in the rain, you can actually see 50 feet further visibility in the rain with a yellow lens than a clear lens. Let's go ahead and throw these guys on. It's bright and sunny out. Oh, absolutely perfect. Once again, it's Mike, the motorcycle eyewear guy on eBay. Hope this information helps.